Okay, in this video we're going to answer the following question. A quartic function has zeros 2, which has order 1, 3, which has order 2, and negative 1, which has order 1. The y-intercept is 18. Find the equation in factored form. What this tells us, okay, so what we know is it's quartic, so that means the degree is 4, and we know the order. A general quartic, any polynomial in factored form, you always have to put an a value out in front because that's the leading coefficient. We know that there's a 0 of 2, which means one of the factors is going to be x minus 2. That's got order 1, so the exponent on that is 1. Don't have to write the 1 if we don't want to. There's a 0 of 3, so there's going to be a factor of x minus 3. That has order 2, so the exponent is 2. And then there's another 0 of x of minus 1, which means there's going to be a factor of x plus 1. The order on that one is 1. So this is our general, we know a quadratic, or not a quadratic, a quartic is going to look something like that. Just one comment. Notice that the order 1, 2, 1, so orders add up to 4. Quartic is degree 4. That's not a coincidence. So orders add up to 4, which is your degree. That's always going to happen. And if you think about what order means and what degree means, that should be obvious that that has to happen. We don't have the equation yet, right? So we're asked to find the equation in factor form. We're not done until we get this a value. So the question is, how do we get this a value? Well, we know that the y-intercept is 18. What that tells me is that f at 0 is equal to 18. If x is 0, then y is 18. That's what the x-intercept means. So all we're going to do is, f at x should be 0, and f at 0 should be 18. So f at x we're going to set equal to 18 and set x equal to 0. So 0 minus 2, 0 minus 3 squared, and 0 plus 1. So 18 is equal to a times minus 2 minus 3 squared, 1. 18 is equal to a times minus 2 times 9 times 1, which means 18 is equal to minus 2 times minus 9 times 1 is minus 18a. To solve for a, you would divide both sides by 18. Sorry, by minus 18, meaning a would be equal to negative 1. Therefore, the equation is f at x equals, now a is equal to negative 1. Usually we wouldn't write negative 1, we just write the negative sign. X minus 2, x minus 3 squared, x plus 1. This is the equation in factored form. That's what I was asked for. If it just said the equation, I would still probably do it in factored form. I wouldn't bother doing it in standard form. I mean, you could expand this. What you might want to do is list the degree with, or the factor with the higher order first, although that really doesn't matter. Definitely doesn't matter to me. But if you want, you can. Doesn't really matter what order the factors are listed though. Okay, so that's f at x. So that's how you would answer a question of this type.